made us united for Congress. I'm a businessman. I got nothing to do with it, but because of Rico, we are united and we are going to fight with the other party, whoever they may be. But Congress victory is 100%.
Thank you.
আমি সকলে একটা unitedly fight to win the Congress Vasco seat. We are open to everyone, anyone and everyone is welcome. We have no reservations about anyone joining, but all of us will have to work on the guidelines issued by P. Chidambaram during his meeting on the 19th of September at HQ Hotel, where he has given 5 points which will be the basis for selecting the candidate. Once that is followed, everything will fall in place and we are all ready to fight and win this seat for the Congress party.
Rico being a block president, we hear that the process of finalizing candidate begins from you.
Yes.
So you made any proposals to the government about to the party about the candidature from Vasco?
Vasco Block Congress Committee has already taken a decision as to who should be the candidate, because that is what Chidambaram told us, and that is why we feel that we should go ahead on the guidelines issued by P. Chidambaram, starting with the block. Then it will go to the list of 400 active members that have been formed. That is also in the process. The active members have already taken a decision that a specific candidate will only be a choice of the people of
New face, old face.
It's going to be a new face.
As if people didn't know before Satyapal Mali what this government was doing. No doubt, it has only confirmed. But don't say because of Satyapal Congress, our governor, that Congress is going to come up here. Everybody knows what is happening during the tenure of BJP. See, where has petrol reached? And everything depends on the cost of petrol. All other things, whatever people don't want, they don't care. Not only here, you see at the center, 120 farmers have died. Have you ever heard of any demonstration or protest lasting for 1 year?
Sir,
You see in Delhi, and it is falling on deaf ears. People are blind and they are deaf. This is what is happening in the country, and same thing is happening in Goa.
So you think other political parties like Aam Aadmi Party and DMC will, damage the Congress votes or divide the Congress votes?
See, the question is, some votes they will surely take. Any party will damage. At least your family votes will be there. Tomorrow some independent contest, his family votes he will take. But we don't bother, because some people leave, others join, maybe more than people who leave.
So any particular finalization on the candidate for Vasco as of now?
No.
Are we going into an alliance as of now for Vasco? Because in the past we've seen sometime it was with the NCP, then it came back to the Congress. So will Congress ask for this constituency in Vasco?
We have already told the High Command our views, and we are with the people. We don't want alliances. We have seen earlier, but the High Command will decide. What alliances have done earlier, still some of them are sitting in the lap of BJP. Others left BJP only because they were kicked. So that is what it is.
So your personal view is that there should be no alliance and Congress should go all out?
Yes, I have been saying from beginning, and I say here, I want alliance with the public, with the voters.
Efforts that they have taken. That's it.
Madam, we have said that Mahila Congress will stand with every candidate that is
Yes,
there.
of course.
A strong
Any
presence in
candidate
Vasco.
which is being chosen by any block, means each block, Congress candidate I mean to say, okay, my Mahilas will always be with those Congress candidates. And they will work hand in hand with the with Youth Congress, Mahila Congress, PCC block, NSUR and SEWA. All of them will work hand to hand, unitedly.
Thank you.
And that's why we have to fight, give a fight unitedly.
Thank you, madam.